my name's Dan. I'm here with LED Light Expert showing you the new Icon Pro 3 series. So this is taking a step up from the Pro 2 series. We've got 3 different options in wattages, 500, 750, and 1000. We have options in lenses from 40, 60, and 90 degree. These are great for sport lighting or big area lighting. We've been selling these for a few months now. They came in a couple months ago. Fantastic light, hard to keep on the shelves. Great for sport lighting. Once again, a lot of people are using these in tennis courts, basketball courts. We're seeing these on a lot of fields as well with some of the smaller beam angles to really push that light out a long ways. Big box, you'll notice I'm a big guy. This is still a big box, and this is the smallest one there is. Inside you're going to see it's not quite as big as the box might tell you, but it's still a big light. We'll get you the power you need for whatever you need. Alright, so we're unboxing. We got the box out of the way since it's a big box. Showing you once again rugged grade. Always great with the packaging, making sure that there's plenty of packaging. Nothing's going to happen to this light in shipping. Actually a pretty smart design. This one also comes with a 40 degree lens. The light itself has a 90 degree lens. We also have a 60 degree light that comes with the 60 installed. This one has both options, so if you're looking for a bright wide beam angle, comes with the 90. If you need the really thin, you've also got the 40 degree here, so a lot of coverage with this light, a lot of different ways to set it up. We're gonna, as we pull this apart here, we'll take our time, make sure we aren't causing any problems here. Get the lenses out of the way. Once again, 2 lenses, as you'll see once we get to the other side of the light, that we do have 2 lenses on this to swap out. Get the foam out of the way here. Nice, strong light. Very heavy duty, can't go wrong with this. And we've got the Pro 3. So you can see here, it does have a flood mount and a slip fit on it. The slip fit can be removed, so you've got a simple straight flood mount on this. You can also use it as a slip fit light. So multiple ways of mounting this, whether it be a surface or if you're doing a pole mounting. This gives you a lot of options. These panels as well, easily swapped out if you need to go to the other lens. So remember that, you've got a lot of different lens options. Everything you could need on this light, we're going to get into a little bit more as we move forward in the video. Alright, one of the big upgrades from the Pro 2 to the Icon Pro 3 is the flexibility of this light. We're going to show you now a lot of those flexible points on this. Aside from having different lens options, 40, 60, and 90 degree, we've got all the different pivot points on the light to make sure you're getting light where you want it. Slip fit mount, pivots on here, you've got 180 degrees pivoting there. Whether you keep that slip fit mount on or take it off, you next have the big U flood bracket on this. You can see the pivot joint here on the bottom here. Couple hex nuts, loosen those up so you can change the pivot point, get you a completely different angle. With those 2, you've got a lot of different angles. You can really get this light pointed where you want it. The next big upgrade with this is that these individual LED heads are pivotable on their own. So you can see we've got one of these loosened up for you. It's a 6mm hex, a 3 hex to loosen that up. There's a couple little covers. You can see the covers. You pop those off, gets you access to the other ones so that you can loosen it up. Once you get it into the position that you want, there is, looks like 6 to 7 different positions on this to get the light pointed where you want. If you want one pointed one direction, another pointed a slightly different direction, you can do that if that's going to help with your project. Most of the time we see them both pivoted to the same angle. Really depends on the project you're doing, but one way or another with this Icon Pro 3, you can get the light where you need it no matter what you're mounting to. Whether it be a pole, whether it be a flat surface, house, home, fence, whatever you're going to, you can get the light where you need it on the ground. Alright, so we flipped the light over so you can see a little bit more on this and see how heavy duty this Icon Pro 3 is. So we've got driver boxes in here, separate on each head. Sosen VP Driver, so we've got top of the line Sosen drivers on here. Each driver is going to have 10 kilovolt surge built into it. We also have additional surge protectors added here. So in total we have 40 kilovolts of surge protection on these lights. This is the 500 watts, so 40 kilovolts, 10 in each driver and 10 separate outside. So a lot to protect these lights. We still recommend, it never hurts to put surge at your breaker boxes anywhere else to help protect your LEDs, but everything is on these electrically to really make sure that you have a light that's going to last for a long time, for your entire life. You can see the steel and aluminum on this, very heavy duty, huge heatsink fins on this to help reduce the heat. Just a really heavy duty light all around. Nothing's going to fall apart on this. Big strong light with the Icon Pro 3. Get you in the right light for the first time. Sometimes it's as simple as just hearing your project and we can get you right there. Other times you may have a bigger project, baseball field, soccer field, something like that, and you want to do a photometric study. We can do the photometric studies for you to make sure you get the right results in the end. You're going to see what the lighting's going to look like when it's all done before the lighting's even purchased. So give us a call, let us help you find the right lights. Once again, high voltage, standard voltage, 500, 750, 1000 watts. So some big lights here, 40, 60, and 90 degree lenses, everything you're going to need, plenty of mounting options. You can't go wrong with the best of the best. That is the Icon Pro 3.